Now we will demonstrate how to use replacement toner cartridge model number Brother tn221 toner, which is compatible with printer model numbers Brother MFC 9340, CDW, and many other similar models. Our first step is to gently shake the toner cartridge to evenly distribute the toner powder within the replacement toner cartridge. Then we'll remove the orange protective cover. Then we will insert the toner cartridge into the toner carrier, locking it into place. Then we will use this tab here to clean the head 2 or 3 times, and be sure to lock this back into position on the far left. Then we will open the printer and insert the toner cartridge, locking it into place. We will repeat this step for the cyan, magenta, and yellow. Now we have inserted all 4 of the toner cartridges with the carrier. Now we will close the cover and do a test print. And here's our test print for replacement toner cartridge model number Brother tn221 toner, which is compatible with printer models Brother MFC 9340, CDW, and many additional models.